If your skin reacts to everything, watch this video. If you have sensitive skin and you're scared of very strong active, very strong skincare products, then I found the perfect skincare product for you, azelaic acid. Now, azelaic acid doubles as an antibacterial ingredient, anti-inflammatory, it fights active acne, it clears dark spots, and it reduces the production of melanin. Azelaic acid is one of the very few ingredients in skincare that fights acne without destroying your skin barrier. It is gentle and it helps with redness. You don't have to suffer to fix your skin. And azelaic acid is exactly what I used that took my skin from this to this. If you want to know more about azelaic acid, how to use it, who should use it, what percentage you should use, the various concentration involved in azelaic acid, what actives you should be mixing with your azelaic acid or you should avoid mixing, I broke down everything in my free masterclass about azelaic acid. Go on YouTube, watch it, and enjoy.